Hello friends, today we will learn how to make a poster in Canva. It is very easy. If you don't know, watch this video completely. So first, open your Canva. After opening, click on custom size. Set your height unit here. Whatever height and width you want to set. Here I am giving a width of 400 and height of 400. Please click. After leaving, click on the design below and click on style in the sidebar. And from here, choose the background color according to your preference. Like I am choosing red color. And from here, click on element and in the search above, search for any food item that you want to add. I really like this pizza table, so I set this pizza as my favorite. Now take the image for whatever poster you want to create. I click on this element and take another image. And I am positioning it from my end. After it's done, click on the text below or click subscribe. Write whatever you want in your poster here, like I write free food delivery. Itu. And its color now, make only from your own. And click on the apple icon at the top.